Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com. Well, it happened to me. I never expected it. Buyer beware, let me tell you what not to do where it comes to ordering your seeds for hot peppers. As many of you know, I've done a few videos on my hot peppers talking about how I have the hottest place on earth by ordering all these Dragon Breath hot pepper seeds and the Carolina Reapers, and those are the two hottest peppers in the world. And in this little room I have over 70 of them planted. There's some large ones and there's some smaller ones, so I've got them all sizes, I should say, in this greenhouse. It's not a room, it's outside on my deck. And I was so excited when I got these. I've been looking for the Dragon Breath peppers for a long time. That's these right over here. I've been looking for seeds for those for a long time. I looked all over online and I found two places. One of them was in Cambodia and one of them was in Maryland, but I'm not going to give you the names of either ones. Just buyer beware. Anyways, these guys had them for a pretty good price. Cambodia, I bought over 400 seeds and I bought 200 from Maryland. And I was comparing which ones were growing the fastest. Now these guys, I got them on eBay and they had great ratings on eBay. The thing is, they must have just started, especially the one in Cambodia. He was brand new and he showed pictures, but I should have known because the pictures he had I saw on other people's sites as well. But I figured since he was brand new, you know. So anyways, I ordered the seeds and all the ratings were good, but there were ratings like quick delivery, oh so many seeds, great, thanks for the seeds, but there was nothing about what they looked like. So I was going to wait. Instead of giving a rating right away, I wanted to grow mine. So anyways, I grew them and I know what the Carolina Reaper and the Dragon Breath should look like. As you know, the Carolina Reaper is a small, it's like a prickly thing, but it's fairly small, and the Dragon Breath is even smaller, but they're not long. Okay, so anyways, I grew these things and I planted them. Well, the Reapers, actually Reapers were planted on January 26th, and the other ones were planted right around the same time, I think the 28th. So they grew up, and about 2 weeks ago, I got this from the Reaper. These are not Reapers, folks. I don't know what they are. I think they might be some kind of ornamental pepper. If anyone knows, let me know below. But all my Reapers turned out to be these. And all my Dragon Breaths, the same thing. They were not Dragon Breaths. Let me see if I can find, I have those on the other side here somewhere. Those turned out to be these things. Some kind of a sweet pepper, as you can see. See, here's a couple more. I mean, there were a lot of peppers on there. Matter of fact, I did a video just recently on how to trim, top your peppers so you can get more fruit. And I got a lot of flowers and fruit. I mean, they're coming up everywhere. But those are not Dragon Breath, okay? So here I was. I planted all these seeds and I had hundreds more. The whole idea was to grow these to make sure they were legit, and then I was going to grow the others a few weeks ago. And I had a business planned around these. I was going to do hot pepper challenges. I already had my t-shirt ready to go out for the hot pepper challenge for this. I was going to make hot sauces, had my recipes. I was going to make chocolate infused hot pepper and chocolate. I had so many things I wanted to do with them. But guess what? It's not what they were. Okay, so I'm quite disappointed. Now, not because of the money spent. I mean, they were very inexpensive for what I got. That's not the point. The thing is, it's now, I believe, May 10th or 11th, and I lost all that time. Planted these in January. I thought I'd be ahead of the game. Matter of fact, in another month, I'm going to be selling plants there. Beside the house. I got all kinds of tomato plants. I've got over 100 of them inside, and I was going to sell these as well. I was going to advertise them on my forums that I'm in with hot peppers, and again, it would have been a bang-up business. So, buyer beware. I just wanted to bring this up to let everyone else know, if you're ordering seeds, hot pepper seeds or anything from Cambodia, from China, any place other than a reputable seed company that has markings, because these came, that has proper packaging, because these came in those little baggies, so places like Baker Creek and a lot of these good, seed companies, okay, there's a lot of them out there, I'm just kind of at a blank of the names, that have their name and their address and a picture and all that. If it doesn't have that kind of advertising, do some research, find out what other people think. Look at the testimonials of people who have grown them to make sure they're the right seed. It's funny because I actually went back online about a week ago and there was a bunch more comments, every one of them. You ripped me off, you thief, I can't believe you did that. These are sweet peppers, these are that. You didn't get what I wanted. So they're all really upset. But too little, too late. There's not much you can do about that. So anyways, just as a warning to you to help you out, when getting your seeds, buyer beware. Now on a lighter note, I did plant inside. I have probably another 50 or 60 peppers, not this kind. I have a lot of other ones, the vipers and the nagas and the scorpions and the boot and the chocolate and all those kind of things. All the ones that are from jalapeno up, but not quite as hot as reapers. So I will have a lot of hot peppers anyways for my enjoyment, but it's just not the same. It's just a bad taste in your mouth when you've been taken. Okay, I got conned. Power to them, they got me. I didn't think I would be the one. So keep that in mind if you're going to get peppers. And if you do have peppers, I hope you the best. And the hotter the better, I say. So let me leave you with my positive saying, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.